Iran has every reason to be wary of Donald Trump's recent dialogue proposal. After all, it was Trump who unilaterally withdrew from the 2015 Iran nuclear deal, leaving Iran compliant while he imposed his maximum pressure strategy. Now he's reaching out to Supreme Leader Khamenei, but just 2 days later, Khamenei rejected the overture, citing the bullying nature of such talks. Remember 2013? Iran took Obama's outreach seriously, leading to a significant agreement that curtailed its nuclear ambitions. Fast forward to today, and Iran is in a much weaker position, grappling with economic pain and regional tensions. The landscape has shifted dramatically, with Israel willing to take greater military risks against Iran. Yet beneath this hostility lies a strategic opportunity. Both the US and Iran want resolution, one for nuclear stability, the other for economic relief. Perhaps it's time for Iran to consider giving dialogue a second chance, despite the scars of the past.